If you're around in 2021, you probably heard of Magic Eden, and if you don't know, now you know. This is probably the biggest competitor to OpenSea going back to 2021, and this multi-ecosystem project has the potential to easily 10x during 2025. But before we get into all of that, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Magic Eden team in any way, and I am currently invested in Magic Eden at the making of this video. So now that we have all that out of the way, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Magic Eden, the project has been out since 2021, but the coin was just released about 4 days ago. It's currently ranked 213th on CoinGecko, sitting at $512 million market cap, just shy of $4 per token. Now you have a circulating supply of 131 million, a total supply of 1 billion, max supply of 1 billion, so it's finite, it's deflationary, but only 13% of the supply is out. So dilution is still an issue with a project like this. Expect more token releases and dilution of price. But overall, as you can see, this did start listing at about $17. And as you can imagine, people immediately started selling off, making millions of dollars. Now we're trading about $4, which gives it a decent buying opportunity for a long-term, if you had long-term conviction on a project like this. As you can see, we've been relatively flatlined for about the last 3 or 4 days, looking like we've been able to hold in about the $3 to $5 range. And like I was saying before, Magic Eden itself is a multi-chain platform. It allows you to get access to NFTs on all the biggest chains: Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Base, Ape, Arbitrum. You can even get into SEI, BNB, Polygon. You name it, Magic Eden is probably going to be partnering with them going into 2025. As you can expect, that's going to bring a lot of traffic and a lot of money into the Magic Eden ecosystem. And on top of that, anyone that is getting rewards or payouts through Magic Eden, as you can imagine, will want to pump the coin itself so that their rewards and the money that they have that's coming through Magic Eden will go up exponentially as well. And this is one of those that NFTs is not popping off, but when NFTs do pop off, metaverse, those types of things really start to take off and go parabolic. You can imagine money is going to flow in like crazy into these ecosystems. And I think Magic Eden easily is going to be a top 3 NFT marketplace. Now, there's not too much to see from a TA perspective because the charting is so new, but at the moment, it looks like on the 30-minute, we're starting to find some sort of floor. We are in a bullish crossover, some bullish signals popping up. Volume inflow is looking exponentially high on the 30-minute as well, and showing relatively oversold on the MACD. Now, if you really want to look from a base point, you can run a Fibonacci bottom to top. See, we landed just nearby the 78.60, and if this one to swing back up, could easily tap back to $11. And that's just on the low. And if this one to swing back up to 17, test all-time highs, then this thing can go absolutely parabolic because it's going to go into price discovery mode, and the sky is the limit. Now, if you want to learn how to trade or want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. There's a 3-day trial for anyone that wants to get all access. And if you want to learn more about that, click learn more. There's a 3-minute video that'll show you exactly what you get as far as community, academy, trading floors, all that stuff. That'll also give you access to all of my long-term trades and plays that I'm going into and that are getting my attention going into 2025. So if you're interested in all that, click that link, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you have an amazing night.